Welcome to this 2-bedroom duplex for sale in Fourways, Sandton, South Africa for R1,690,000. Truly a breath of fresh air living in a magnificent modern duplex with a private walled garden. It offers open-plan living with a spacious lounge that leads onto a covered patio with a built-in braai. The kitchen has a gas hob with Caesar stone countertops and space for 2 plumbed appliances. It also offers modern wooden finishes. There are 2 lovely sized bedrooms under laminated flooring with lots of cupboard space. The main bedroom features a sunny patio for your early morning coffee. The main bathroom offers a shower, a bath with his/hers basins. There are fitted blinds throughout the house. There is a double automated garage and a guest toilet. An optic fiber line is an additional feature that is added to this home. The complex offers a beautiful clubhouse with an infinity swimming pool, the ideal venue for entertaining a larger group of friends out of home. There is also 24 hours security to provide peace of mind. This home is situated just off Cedar Road close to the Fourways Life Hospital, with easy access to Witkoppen and William Nicol. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.